Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this amazing look that my Barbie is rocking right now. And we're gonna be changing our doll's hair color. But don't worry, it is permanent. It will wash off whenever you want to, so yeah, let's get started. Yeah, first of all, I'm gonna go and wash her off a little bit and wash her hair, and yeah, I'll be right back. So for this project, we're gonna be using Arteza hair chalk pens. So Arteza was kind enough to send me this amazing pack of 12 colors, and I'm gonna show it to you and do this little project. So we have neon green, silver, gold, metallic blue, metallic purple, metallic rose, metallic green, red, blue, orange, pink, and black. So we have a huge variety to choose from. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I've tried a few of them already and I love them. So this set is completely safe to use on yourself as well, so don't worry, you can try it on yourself and match your doll. And I encourage you guys to check out the links below to get this set. And of course, a little disclaimer, I am making money off of this. For every sale, I am making a profit off of it. And yeah, just to be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna pretend like I'm not. So if you want to support me and try out the Arteza hair chalk, I encourage you to do so. So yeah, let's move on. So Miss Barbara is nice and ready. She had a shower, she's wearing her towel, her hair is nice and wet, and I'm wearing my gloves just so I don't get the chalk all over my hands, but you can skip the gloves because it's gonna wash off pretty easily. But yeah, we're gonna follow the instructions on the packaging. So step 1, brush your hair. Color can be applied on wet or dry hair. So I already brushed her hair and her hair is wet. Step 2, apply the color to the hair in a downward motion. Ooh, here's the fun part. So let's pick some colors. So the colors I'm using are metallic rose, metallic blue, and metallic purple. So Miss Barbara, we're gonna get you some highlights today. And let's start with blue. So here it is. I already used it, that's why it's a bit dirty. They're not your usual hair chalk, they're more creamy and they have nice texture. So yeah, let's start with the highlights. So let's move on to purple, and I really love purple. Let's get her some pink. So the next step in the instructions says let your hair dry for 5 minutes or use a hair dryer. And then hair with color can be curled or flat ironed. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes now, and then we're gonna straighten her hair and see how it goes. So this is how Barbie looks like after I dried and straightened her hair. I also brushed out some of the color so it looks way more like pastel-ish kind of, which I think is really cool. And also by brushing her hair a lot, I managed to kind of mix the colors together and spread them out all over her head. So it looks super cool. I really like it, and yeah, I hope you do too. So I wanted to try out all the colors. So here we have the blue, really nice metallic blue. Then we have some purple, I think, or is it pink? I think it is light pink. Then we have green, some red, some silver somewhere here, and then we have gold on this side as well. And then other side we have this nice pink and blue and purple, and this was kind of my inspiration for today's look. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out Arteza and the links down below. Also, if you like this top, I'm gonna show you how to make it in a future video, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you soon. Bye!